Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to react in a voice call on Facebook Messenger. If you ever want to show your emotions and reactions during a call, this guide is for you. Before we get started, make sure you have the Messenger app installed on your phone. If you don't have it already, head over to the Play Store and search for Facebook Messenger. Look for the chat bubble with a sideways lightning bolt and a gradient between purple and blue. Tap on it, and then tap on Install. Once it's done, tap on Open to start the app. Once you're in the app, sign in like you usually would. Go to a chat and tap on the phone icon to start a voice call. If you want to react during the call, tap on the 3 stacked dots in the top right corner. This will bring up a menu of options. In the menu, you'll find emojis that you can use to react to what the other person is saying. Tap on an emoji to select it, and the other side of the call will receive the reaction. You can change your reaction by tapping on a different emoji at any time during the call. Reacting in a voice call can be a great way to express yourself and show your emotions. By following these simple steps, you can easily react in a voice call on Facebook Messenger. That's all there is to it. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching.